In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to perform your tasks on the Chatter app. I got so many requests from you guys from my previous video where I introduced this new app that I should make a video explaining how to go about the tasks on this app. So make sure to pay attention to everything I'm going to say in today's video so you better understand how this app works and how to perform your tasks so you can start live streaming and getting your rewards for your live streaming tasks. If you don't know the app I'm talking about, please take the first link in the description and comment section of this video. It will redirect you to the introductory video I did concerning this app. And when you're done, you can come back to watch this one. Without wasting any much of your time, let us proceed with the video. I told you in the previous video that before you can be able to activate your live streaming tags, you have to become a matchmaker. I also showed you how to go about it. Note, being a matchmaker is the same thing as being a host. So you have to become a host first before your live stream tax center appears on the app, okay? Just in case you're not seeing your tax center. So now that you have done that, what is the next thing to do? Let's click here. That's your tax center. As you can see on your screen, we have just two tags here. The first tax here is actually your live streaming tax, and you are required to live stream for 240 minutes before you are granted the reward for the completion of this particular task. Mind you, you are expected to live stream for at least 30 minutes before you go off, because in my previous video in the comment section I got questions like this. Do I have to live stream 4 hours straight? No, you don't have to, but just make sure that whenever you come on live, you stay at least 30 minutes before you go off. Now, in addition to these two tags that you can see here, the first one is live stream tags, the second one is 5 minutes on mic couples. Don't worry, I will explain how you go about it shortly. There is an additional task, and that task is called a smile task. Okay, I'll also show you how you can go about that one. So now let me quickly show you how you do your task. It's very easy. Now when you click on your task center and it brings you here, the next thing you have to do is to click on the go button. Just click on the go button and then read the instructions that you have here. This is going to keep popping up on your screen. Click on the next button once the timer counts down to 0 seconds. It. Now this is your live stream room. Okay, we have two types of rooms. We have the hangout room and we have the bubble room. Okay, so now I know you can see, if you look closely, the room is actually different from every other live streaming task, and this is because it was designed in such a way that you can complete your live stream task and also your couples task at the same time. So once you're ready to go live, you just click on the go live button, allow whatever necessary permissions, and voila, we are live streaming at the moment. Okay, you can see that the room background and everything has changed. Okay, so now you're expected to stay on live and communicate if anybody comes to your live stream. But I think as at the time I'm live streaming, there's no one in the room. Okay, so this is just basically how you can do your solo live stream tags for 4 hours. And like I said before, it doesn't have to be 4 hours straight. Okay, someone just joined the live stream now. So this is how to do your live stream tags. I'm going to end the live stream so I can show you. Yeah, I said it's your, are you sure you want to quit? Your stream time is less than 30 minutes. Since I'm just recording a video, I'm not ready for live streaming yet. I'm just going to quit that particular time you stay in the live stream. If it's not up to 30 minutes, it will not count. Do you see that it didn't count for me? All right, now that's basically it. Now that's how to complete your first task. Okay, the second one now is the 5 minutes on mic couples task. What this particular one simply means is that once you're live streaming, you have to invite a male and female to join you on live. I hope that's clear. Now let me show you how you go about that. Click on the go button again. Now as you're live streaming, I believe you can see two seats available. There are two seats made available. You have the male seat and you have the female seat. So all you have to do is to simply invite a male a friend of yours to join you on the live stream and sit here, and then you also invite a female to join you on the live stream and sit here as well. Definitely their face must show. So what you are going to do is to just talk to them for 5 minutes. Yes, talk to them for 5 minutes, and once the 5 minutes time elapses, or the 5 minute duration elapses, you bring them down from those seats and then invite another set. Yes, the couples tax is in two ways. If you check it very well, you will see that you have 0/2, meaning you have to do this twice, and that's a total of 10 minutes. So the first couple stays with you, you gist, communicate, converse for 5 minutes, and once 5 minutes elapses, you bring them down and bring the next couple, and then communicate as well. And once you are done, you will go back and then you see that it's going to tick 2/2. That means you've completed that task. So now that's just basically how to complete your couples tax, okay? Your own mic couples tax. So the thing is that you can actually do all these tasks at the same time. As you're doing your 4 hours live stream tax, you can do the couples tax, you can do the smile tax at the same time. All right. Now let me show you how the smile tax is being done. It's somehow similar to the couples tax, but there is a slight difference, and there's one important thing you have to do so you get rewarded afterwards. Now, what's the smile tax all about? While your male invitee and the female invitee are seated on live, you have to say something. It could be cracking jokes, and ensure they smile. Once they both smile, you take a screenshot of the moment, and then once you've taken a screenshot, you go to your Telegram, the Telegram community, the official Telegram community that was opened for you guys. Some of you have joined already. I believe some of you have joined. You go there, you paste that screenshot there and drop your ID. Yes, that's how the smile tax is being done. So once you drop your ID there, um you wait for them to respond to you, then you get rewarded for that as well. So now you are getting rewarded for your live stream tax, you're getting rewarded for your couples tax, also getting rewarded for your you know smile tax. That's it. That's basically it. That's how to complete your tax. So after you have completed your task, you come back to the tax center here, confirm that you have actually completed your task. Now, where you see 0 out of 240, you should see 240 out of 240, meaning you've completed your 4 hours live stream task. And for the second task, where it says 0 out of 2, it should show 2 out of 2 to show that you've completed the task. All you have to do is to wait the next day. They will credit your reward the next day in the morning by 8 a.m. So you don't have to come back here to claim any tax reward at all. I hope that's clear. So that's just it. As at the time I'm recording this video, this is how the tax center looks like. It has not changed yet. Even the reward has not yet changed. Okay. Results may vary, it could change at any time, but don't worry, if there is any new update concerning this new live streaming app, I would definitely inform you guys. So guys, I hope you understand how to complete your tax now. For those of you that have been complaining that you needed this video, I hope this video has done justice to all you need. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please do not hesitate to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. Be a withdrawal video. Yes, definitely. I'll make a withdrawal video showing you how to withdraw from this app, because I saw some comments like that from you guys on my previous video. Okay, so make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that particular video. Alright, so with all this being said, I'll see you guys in the next live stream tutorial.